very steadily improving the ecosystem across the state, trying to improve road connectivity, for instance, availability of homestays and such facilities. And wherever we have been able to attract musicians so far, these have been the first preference for all these artists is that there should be adequate and well-maintained accommodation facilities. We have made a sample survey where we found out that along with, say for Ed Sheeran, for instance, we had Ed Sheeran and a day later, that was Mr. Big. So quite a good number of those tourists also stayed back for Mr. Big. That apart, they also traveled to Sora, Dauki, and the Omiam areas, and with more than 4,000 crores being announced as investment in the tourism sector, we look forward to a major change happening within the next 2 years. We will now concentrate on improving our infrastructure. As you can see, the ropeway project has taken off. Major circuits are also being linked with, in the sense that instead of just one village, we have 5 tourist centers being linked, and visitors will be encouraged to visit each of those circuits. That apart, we will also enlarge the tourism map, the annual map which we have announced, which we announce every year, to now include more areas, including newfound locations.